Hey guys, welcome. So how do you add product variation on TikTok shop? This is going to be a really short video, so just bear with me in this one. Let's just go jump right into it. So on the add product here, scroll down a little bit here. Wait, it's loading a little bit. And once you scroll down, it's absolutely here. You could choose the brand. Under the brand here, depending on what brand it offers, so that's the variation type. So you see these multiple tabs here. These are the variations. You could add whatever age group or sports type. So these are the variations that most are basically looking for. So here's the country of origin. So yeah, that's the variation. Thank you so much for watching tech trick tutorials, and that's short, right? Have a nice day, guys, and please subscribe.